Hello everyone, Dr. DrBartemus here, chiropractor and lifestyle expert at Transcendent Lifestyle Center. And I just wanted to talk to you today about the arrow diagram, which is a diagram of the continuum between health and disease. Now, our health is continuously changing, or our status on the diagram is continuously changing. And the only constant in life is change. We're either changing our position towards health, or we're changing our position towards disease. And the things that determine which way we're headed are the daily lifestyle choices that we make concerning our health. So what are those? What are we choosing to put into our bodies in forms of food? Are we exercising or not each day? And what kind of mental, emotional thoughts are we allowing into our mind? Are we allowing others to impact us emotionally? And do we have a positive mental attitude? And lastly, and most importantly, is how is our nervous system functioning and incorporating all of those choices to express a healthy body. So let's look at two people. The first person here has no symptoms. This person is seemingly healthy, feels fine. Alright, if we let this person head down the road a little bit and live how they want to live, how the typical American lives, then they ultimately get to a point where they have symptoms. So this person here has symptoms, this person is symptom-free. The only difference between them is where they are on the health continuum, and therefore the health decisions they've been making. But you can be making constructive choices which head you towards health, or destructive choices which head you towards disease. This person has made destructive choices, which has ultimately led to symptoms occurring as he moves closer to disease. So what are symptoms? Symptoms are our body's alarm system telling us that we are living poorly and we need to change our choices or change our environment quickly, or we're going to be in some sort of danger, whether that's being attacked by the tiger in the old days around the watering hole, or whether that's signs of chronic disease approaching because we're in a stressful, chronically stressful environment, whether that's work, whether that's a poor diet, whether that's a sedentary lifestyle, whether that's a misaligned spine that is prohibiting our nervous system from properly running our bodies. Okay, so symptoms are bad things. And there's two ways to relieve symptoms. The first way is by the medical model. And the medical model attempts to relieve symptoms by covering them up. By covering them up with drugs, you are not relieving symptoms. You're just numbing your body's alarm system. So let me ask you this. If your fire alarm in your house was going off, would you just pull the batteries out of it to make it shut up so you could go back to sleep? Or would you put out the fire that was in the kitchen or in another room in the house? Right. You would actually pay attention to that alarm, make an immediate change, and be healthier for doing that. Well, that's what the body's symptoms are. The body's symptoms are your body's fire alarm telling you, hey, listen, we need to make a change here. Otherwise, we're going to have a fire or some sort of disease show up. And so how do you do that? How do you take a symptomatic person and make a U-turn in their life back towards health? Well, that's simple. Instead of covering up symptoms by drugs and surgery, you make a U-turn in your life by making lifestyle choices, positive lifestyle choices. And those include positive dietary choices, exercising daily, having a positive mental attitude, seeking goal achievement, and chiropractic care for optimal nervous system function. And the nervous system is important. Why? Because your brain and spinal cord run your whole body. For you to take those healthy food choices that you're making and incorporate them into a new heart in a month, or new blood vessels in 120 days, or new skin cells in 2 weeks, the brain needs to be properly communicating with the gut to absorb those nutrients and then send them to areas in the body where they need to go to create those new organs. Same thing with exercise and regulating hormone function and sweat glands, metabolism, getting rid of wastes. And same thing with your mental thoughts. Thoughts become things, right? So we want to have a positive mental attitude and always be seeking positivity. So chiropractic care takes all of these factors, these lifestyle factors for health, ties them into a neat bundle, and gives you the present or the package of health. So instead of trying to avoid what you don't want, seek to achieve what you do want and go after health. Go see your chiropractor. And today, we would love to invite you into our family to become a practice member. So give us a call, 704-419-4852, and start your health journey. Make your U-turn with us. Have a great day. I'm Dr. John Bartemus.